Hey guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. It's time for another easy recipe. You know I don't like to make it too complicated for you. So the cocktail we are making today is called Testarossa. It's a 3-ingredient cocktail, it's built in a glass. What else could you wish for? So without further ado, let's make a Testarossa. So this is an interesting mix of ingredients. First ingredient is vodka, 30 ml, 1 ounce. Followed by Campari, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Now we need ice. And top it up with soda. Give it a quick stir. And garnish with an orange wheel. That's it, ladies and gents, we made a Testarossa. Cheers! Oh, it's bitter, of course. I don't know what I was hoping for, but if you like bitter cocktails, it's okay. It's really bitter. You got that alcohol from vodka, that kick. You got that bitterness from Campari. Soda is there too, maybe diluted a little bit, but it doesn't do much, trust me. It's good if you like fizzy drinks, if you like bitter drinks. And this orange smells really good. That's it, ladies and gents, another quick and easy recipe. Testarossa, 3 ingredients only, vodka, Campari, soda. Garnish that with the orange wheel, and that's it. You have yourself a refreshing but bitter cocktail. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.